Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks surged Tuesday after the Trump administration signaled a willingness to negotiate tariffs with China and confirmed it received 18 trade proposals and is reportedly close on agreements with Japan and India. All indices gained more than 2.5%. Small caps closed as the biggest winner with its 2.7% rally. All of the NASDAQ 100 and Dow stocks finished in positive territory. All 11 sectors in the S&P 500 traded higher as well. Financials and consumer discretionary closed up more than 3%. Communication services wasn't far behind, gaining just under that. Turning to some stocks on the move, Tesla shares are little changed after hours after posting a miss on earnings and revenue. $19.3 billion in sales significantly missed Wall Street's estimates of $21.4 billion. This comes after the company reported lagging deliveries for the first quarter and also attributes a switchover of Model Y production lines for several weeks of lost production. Tesla expects to revisit full-year guidance when it reports second quarter numbers. We'll have more on Tesla's conference call and earnings tomorrow on the Schwab Network. Defense and aerospace companies saw mostly down arrows following a mixed bag from this morning's earnings. Northrop Grumman was one of a few S&P 500 laggards after missing on earnings and guidance. RTX, meanwhile, beat on both the top and bottom line, but said they could take an $850 million hit this year from tariffs. Lockheed Martin finished up almost 1% after it reported better than expected results. And GE Aerospace rallied after it posted an earnings beat. The company reaffirmed its 2025 revenue guidance despite an estimated $500 million impact from tariffs. First Solar, meanwhile, was the S&P 500's top performer on news the U.S. is set to impose tariffs on most solar cells from Southeast Asia. The Commerce Department and International Trade Commission found China subsidized companies in the region that then dumped solar equipment in the U.S. They say that depressed prices and hurt U.S. manufacturers. First Solar shares climbed 10%. Tomorrow's earnings slate will be led by Boeing, AT&T, GE Vernova, and Philip Morris before the opening bell. And then IBM, ServiceNow, and Chipotle will report after the bell. We'll also get the latest PMI print and data on new home sales. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.